What is going on, A1 gang? We are back. Sorry right off the bat for the wind or anything like that y'all might hear during this video, but we got a 2018 Ford EcoSport. Now I said sorry for the wind because you see it snowing and stuff. I might not be able to see it, but it's like snowflakes out here. And the highest it was supposed to be today was as you can see, hold on, I'm gonna show y'all real quick so y'all can believe me on this one. Let me go to my weather. There's my weather app. So today it's supposed to be 20 degrees, cloudy, but it really feels like 7 degrees, as you can see right there. So it's freezing out here, and today is Wednesday the 9th. Y'all gonna see this video today as well. Video's going up as soon as I get done with this dealership here. But yeah, here's the 2018 Ford EcoSport right here. Now this right here is what Ford is replacing the Fusion, basically all their cars except for the Mustang, which, you know, all their cars they make is the Ford Fusion, the Taurus, the Fiesta, what else do they make? The Fiesta, the Focus, all of those small cars like that. And yeah, this is what's going to replace it right here. They're going to all SUV lineup. So they're not going to make any cars at all. Only car that you'll be able to buy is the Mustang. So this is the only vehicle that you'll be able to buy. Now this one right here, this one is fully loaded. It's the titanium. Only option this one doesn't have is the remote start on the remote. This is the key fob right here. It has everything else except for remote start. But let's hop into the sticker right here. So you got the 2018 EcoSport. Y'all ain't even gonna be able to see the sticker, but this one right here, the base price of it is, before all options and everything, is at $27,330. With the extra options and stuff this one has is $29,170. And this color right here is called the ruby red metallic with the ebony black leather on the inside. So you got a 2.0 liter TI VCT GDI inline four engine, and that engine is putting out I had googled it. I'll tell y'all in a few seconds. My hands are frozen, man. I can't even feel them. So that engine is putting out 166 horsepower at 6,500 RPMs and 149 foot-pounds of torque at 4,500 RPMs. And you can actually tow with this little thing up to up to 2,000 pounds. So anything over 2,000 pounds, it ain't gonna be able to do it. This one is all-wheel drive as well too. Got the sunroof at the top. Beautiful little SUV, I might say. Yeah, let's go ahead and get in it and start it up real quick because it's freezing out here. So straighten y'all out. Y'all all crooked. There you go. Alright, y'all can hear the exhaust right there. Nice little aggressive growl to it. Let's go ahead and start it up. I mean, not start it up, take y'all underneath the hood. See, it's so cold out here, I can't even think straight. So, there's underneath the hood, that inline 4-cylinder. That's gonna sound very loud on camera. That's just the way the engines be on camera. So we're gonna go ahead and shut that up. And I'm gonna turn on the headlights real quick. So you got LEDs. You got your LEDs right here. You also got a projectile bulb in there too. I'm trying to figure out why. Let me see if that'll turn on. There we go. I had just the parking lights on. My bad, y'all. So there we go. So you got the LEDs right here with the projectile bulbs with just a halogen bulb in there. So you might want to take them out if you get it. So you can have them nice crispy blue lights, replace them with some HIDs. Overall, it's a nice little SUV. You got the Ford badge right there. Now these right here, they're not gonna come on there. That's just for the, you know, when they parking the vehicles and the inventory so they won't bump into another vehicle, cause damage. But let's go ahead and get in here. So right here you got hard plastic. I mean, it's not a luxury vehicle or anything. It's an economical SUV right here. So, oh, I didn't tell y'all the gas mileage too. So the gas mileage is actually pretty good. So you get 23 in the city, 29 on the highway, and 25 miles per gallon combined. So with that being said, also I'm gonna take y'all through some of the functionality of it real quick while y'all examine that door. So you get the auto stop start technology, you get the B&O play, I don't know what that is, premium audio system, it says. Then you got the blind spot information system. You got the intelligent access with the key, push button start. See that, I don't, on this key right here, it doesn't have a push button start, so I don't know how does that work out. It's supposed to have push button start, but this one doesn't have it. I mean, not push button start. Oh, the push button start is in there. I'm thinking about remote start. My fault, y'all. My fault. Like I said, it's cold. It's cold. I can't even think. But you got a rear view camera as well. You got the not the Microsoft Sync. I think it's now Sony or something. But you got the Sync Connect, the voice activated navigation. But let's get back to this door. So you got hard plastic right up here. You got soft touch material right here. Everything else is plastic. They got a screwdriver in there. I don't know what that's for. That's somebody else's, whoever was tinkering around with it. You got automatic window for the driver's side. It's so cold that it won't even go down. But you got your unlock and lock button right there. Seats do look nice. Nice leather. Perforated on the side. Also right here. Let's go ahead and get in here, man. Like I said, it's freezing out here today. Now the car is reading 20 degrees, but like I said, it ain't no 20 degrees out here by far. So dashboard is hard touch. You know, it's not a luxury vehicle. Nice Ford emblem right here on the steering wheel. Typical buttons right here. You got your cruise buttons. Your buttons right here for the menu right here. Let's hit that okay so we get that off there. So you got your compass right there. We're facing west. It also feels like this steering wheel might be heated, but I'm not gonna take off my gloves. It is heated. I see the little icon down there, but I'm not taking off these gloves. But yeah, I feel it definitely. Back to the menu. So you got your compass, your music. You got your My View, which is your miles per hour, how fast you're going. Then you got the little road that tells you all your different functionality stuff as far as gas mileage, how long you've been on the road, a timer, all of that stuff. Then you got your settings for your vehicle. And there you go. Let me turn those lights off and everything so we won't forget those. So you got a $140 on the dash right there. And over here to the right of the steering wheel, you got your phone buttons, your voice control, everything right there, your push button start. You got a nice like little tablet size screen right here. It's not small or nothing. It's about the size of one of those mini iPads. So it looks nice. Back up so y'all can get a view of it. Looks nice. Simple, very simple to use buttons right here. So you got your seat buttons right there, your pause and play button. Then you got your button to cut off the screen. So if you're in a bad neighborhood or something like that, and you know you don't want to have that on, cut it off. Because people will try to break in your car to steal anything. But that's how you control your tones and stuff like that to balance out the sounds of it. But then you got your maps right there. Very nice looking updated maps. Look very nice and crisp and clean. Also you got Wi-Fi. As you can see, the Wi-Fi symbol is right there. I wish it was. It's 73 degrees in this vehicle. That's what the heat is on. I wish it was 73 outside right now, because man, I'm telling you, it's freezing out here. It was just 50 some degrees yesterday, and now we down to the real feel of 7 degrees. That's crazy. So you got your audio right there. You can program your favorite stations and all of that stuff. You got your different apps. You got the Find mobile apps where you can download different apps and things like that. It should have, there it is right there. So I don't see anything about Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. But you got your display right here. Let's see what that does. So that's just doing that, but I don't see anything for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Maybe it's something in here with the phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is
You probably got just Bluetooth audio. I know on other Ford vehicles there is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so it'll be amazing to see if they didn't incorporate that in here. Unless they're probably planning on doing it. Like I said, this is a 2018 model, so the 2019s they might have some in stock here, or you know, it's very beginning of the year, so they're trying to get this old stuff moved before they make room for the new stuff. But like I said, they might have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. I just don't see it in this screen or anything, but you do get Wi-Fi and everything else as well too, but you get the navigation as well. So, and it looks very clean and sharp, crisp, everything. So it's not a deal breaker for me, because you can still listen to your phone and stuff via Bluetooth. Right here you don't have dual climate control, which is a bummer, but you do got heated seats on both the driver's side and passenger side, and that's how you see your heat and everything right there. I'm gonna actually turn it up because like I said, it's freezing. You got your auto on and auto off, your traction, 2 USBs. You got a 12 volt down here, a little storage space right there where you can sit your phone while it's charging. Gear shifter with a little sport mode S right there. I mean, very basic layout. Glove box is small. It's a compact size SUV. You turn it around. My headroom is good. It's not the greatest. I'm 5'7", 5'8", so I'm not that tall, but any car for me I can fit in perfectly fine. But this one, I'm not gonna lie, it feels just a little bit cramped. I mean, like I said, I'm not that big of a person. Then you got the vanity light up here, so you also got to turn it on each time too. So you can't just, you see how it closes that? When you close this, so you flip that on like that, and when you close up your visor, it cuts it off. So then you gotta do it every time. That's just, I mean, like I said, they are replacing all of their vehicles with this, except for the Mustang. So all of their cars, you might as well consider them gone. And all that B&O right there, that's Bang & Olufsen. So that's pretty cool. You got a Bang & Olufsen sound system in here. So this is the first car that SUV or whatever you want to call it, first vehicle that I've seen under what, $30,000 or something like that, with the Bang & Olufsen sound system. So that's pretty interesting to see. Got the nice Ford chime in here. Got your cup holders right there, a little storage right there. Also you got your glove, your center console. This tray comes out. It's compact size down there as well. Like I said, this is a small SUV. And what I couldn't find out for you guys, I don't know, I don't see a button or anything for it. I didn't see a button on the key fob. I've looked before I even started this video. I do not see how to open up the tailgate part to open up the trunk. But also you have your glasses right here for your glasses storage. Let's go ahead and push that. It's so cold, man, that this might be frozen. Let's see. There we go, yeah. So you also got a sunroof too. Let's open that up. Nice little sunroof. Close that up. And we're gonna go ahead and get in the back real quick. I can't open up the back part for y'all. Also, right here you got the touch buttons on the doors. All 4 doors have them. Well, all just the driver's side and passenger side. You don't have them on the back door. Then you also got the blind spot monitoring right there. Let's go ahead and get back in here. So same materials on this back door that's on the front door as well. Storage pocket in the back of the seat. Seats are okay, nice, soft. So I'm in here. Leg room it's all right. Seat is a little bit further back, but it's all right. It's doable. But my number one thing, my biggest gripe with it right now is that I can see, I know this is a small SUV, but still, you got to give the backseat passengers the air vents. Got to, because like I got the heat on up there. Now I felt the heat when I was up there. Now that I'm back here, I don't feel anything. I'm freezing like I'm still outside, but minus the wind. But yeah, I think that's mandatory. Every car, every new car that's built That should be mandatory. No matter how big it is, unless it's like a Corvette or something that don't have a back seat. But no matter if it's a SUV or something like that, or a car, you gotta have those vents back here, man, because you'll freeze out your passengers, because you'll be warmed up or cold in the summer from the AC, and then you back here freezing or burning up. Got the wall charger down there. It's a nice little SUV. I wish I could open up that back, but I don't even see. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. I didn't even see a I know normally you can do the kick thing too with some of Ford's vehicles, but I've tried to kick it. I don't see any buttons or anything right there. As y'all can see, I don't see any buttons. I don't see anything back here to open this up. I'm kicking underneath how you know normally do the little sweep kick thing. Nothing is opening up, so I'm not sure how to open that up. I'm gonna give it another chance and look back in here. I don't see any buttons or anything right here, so that's kind of weird. Yeah, that's very weird to me. But this is how the reverse camera look. That is a nice view, actually. It's nice and crisp, very clean looking. So put that back in drive, and park, and that's how it looks, man. Nice vents. And just like that, guys, this review is over. I'll see you guys in the next. Thank you for watching.